Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to instruct you in order to send high quality photos or videos on WhatsApp. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started with the process. You can start by opening up the WhatsApp application itself and log in into your account if you're not logged in. And from here, you can go over and go to a specific chat, an individual or group chat, where you would like to use the HD quality option. So we can use the feature directly within the WhatsApp application. So you can go over to one of the chat or a group chat where you would like to send it. And once you go over here, you will be finding option to type in a text, etc. You can look out for the attachment icon of paperclip or the plus icon and select the option. After you do so, you can select the option of gallery from the options available. And from there, what you need to do is basically go ahead and choose the image that you would like to upload, or you can directly look out for the HD option here in the top right and tap on it. And after you tap on it, the items will be set to HD quality directly. You can go ahead and select up a picture, and when you select up the picture, you will be finding the HD quality being turned on at the top, and you can tap on send in order to send it up, and that is how you do it. Now the image will be sent in HD quality like this. So you can just go over and follow up this step. Or if not from there, what you can do is you can even change up your status from your settings. Look out for the three dot in the top right corner and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can look out for the settings option here and tap on it. And from here, you can go over to the option of storage and data and go ahead and tap on that option. And once you tap on it, you can look out for the option of media upload quality. Just go over and choose that. And from there, you can select the option of HD quality and tap on save to save up the changes. And whenever you send pictures, that will directly be sent in HD quality. And that's it. So therefore, you may follow this process if you want to send high quality photos and videos on WhatsApp. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.